Hey there, car enthusiasts. Ever wonder how to keep your ride looking as fresh as the day you drove it off the lot? You know that new car smell? That feeling of pride when you see it gleaming in the driveway? I mean, it's not just about impressing the neighbors, although let's be honest, that's a perk. It's about respecting the machine, you know? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the top car maintenance tips with a twist of humor. Because a clean car is a happy car, and a happy car gets you where you need to go with a smile. Okay, let's talk car washes. I mean, we've all been there, right? Stuck in that weird purgatory between the rinse cycle and the giant blow dryer, wondering if our car is going to come out cleaner or if it's going to be sporting a new collection of mysterious scratches. But seriously, folks, keeping your car clean is like the first rule of car ownership. It's not just about aesthetics, although come on, who doesn't love that just washed shine? It's about protecting your investment. Think about it. Dirt, grime, bird droppings. Don't even get me started on bird droppings. All that stuff eats away at your car's paint, and then you're talking about rust. And then you're just driving around in a rolling tetanus shot waiting to happen. So find a car wash you trust, one that doesn't treat your car like it's going through a hurricane, and make it a regular thing. You'll thank me later. Mechanic Mike. Absolutely, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can even wash it yourself. Just make sure you've got the right supplies and a bit of elbow grease. Trust me, your car will thank you. Remember Mr. Miyagi and that whole wax-on, wax-off thing? Turns out the man was a genius. Waxing your car isn't just about making it look pretty, although again, that's a definite bonus. It's about creating a protective layer over your car's paint, like a little force field against the elements. Think of it as sunscreen for your car, but instead of preventing sunburn, it prevents fading, oxidation, and those annoying micro-scratches that seem to appear out of nowhere. Techie Tom, media. Person using spray-on car wax, person demonstrating easy-to-apply car wax. And hey, with all the new tech out there, you can even find waxes that are super easy to apply. Some of them are spray-on wipe-off and you're done. No need to become a waxing fanatic, spending every weekend buffing your car like you're training for the car show circuit. But a good wax job a couple of times a year will go a long way in keeping your car looking its best. And hey, if you want to practice your karate moves while you're at it, I'm not stopping you. Chapter 3. Alright, let's talk about the inside of your car. Now, I'm not one to judge. I've been known to leave a coffee cup or two in my cup holder longer than I should. But there's a difference between lived in and biohazard zone. Eco-Emma. Your car's interior is like your second home or maybe your third depending on how much time you spend in traffic. So, treat it with a little respect. Regularly vacuuming the seats and carpets will prevent crumbs and dirt from becoming permanent fixtures. Wipe down the dashboard and steering wheel to keep them free of dust and grime. And please, for the love of all that is good and holy, empty out those empty water bottles and coffee cups. You know who you are. Chapter 4. Let's talk tires, those big, round things that keep your car from turning into a very expensive sled. You know, your tires are the only things between you and the road. It's like those shoes you wear when you're trying to impress someone. You want them to look good, but they also need to be functional. Luxury Lisa. So, how do you keep those tires rolling smoothly? First, check your tire pressure regularly. It's not just about avoiding a flat tire, although that's a definite plus. It's about fuel efficiency and even tire wear. Underinflated tires can wear out faster, and that's just throwing money away. Second, keep an eye on the tread. Worn-out tread is like bald tires, not a good look, and definitely not safe on wet roads. If you're not sure how to check your tire tread, just ask your mechanic. They're the car whisperers, they'll steer you in the right direction. Chapter 5. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about fluids. No, not those fluids, get your mind out of the gutter. I'm talking about the fluids that keep your car running smoothly. You know, oil, coolant, brake fluid, all those colorful liquids under the hood that you probably try to avoid thinking about. Young Yuki. But here's the thing, just like you need water to survive, your car needs these fluids to function properly. Low oil levels can lead to engine damage, and nobody wants a hefty repair bill. Low coolant can cause your car to overheat, and nobody wants to be stranded on the side of the road with steam pouring out from under the hood. And as for brake fluid, well, let's just say it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So, do yourself a favor and check your fluids regularly. It's a small thing that can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it, folks. Follow these tips, and your car will stay looking brand new. Remember, a well-maintained car is a happy car. And a happy car is a car that's going to get you where you need to go without any complaints. Plus, think of all the compliments you'll get on your sparkling clean, shiny ride. Just imagine cruising down the street, the sun glinting off your freshly waxed paint job, the envy of all who behold you. Okay, maybe I got a little carried away there, but you get the point. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun and informative videos.